Found me a trail. It's more like a tarmac road with just loads of potholes though. It's not really a trail, is it? It's probably to somebody's house. Some big house in the country. Oh! Yeah, that wasn't even a trail. It's just the road. It's just Devon roads. I have no idea where this road's going to go, but we're on it. Ooh, yeah. Bit of wheel spin. Wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. That's a song, isn't it? Comment below if that's a song. Where the heckers are we? We are down some dirty little back alley. Need to put my blast shield up. What the heckers? This is the road. This is the road. Yeah. The road to where though? Somebody's farm. Obviously we're not supposed to be down here. So I'll turn around. Oh, it's a bit warm in this helmet. It is so hot today. Yeah, it's so hot today. That sweat is dripping down my nose, off my face, down my nose, and into my mouth. Free drink. Yeah, so this isn't the way. It's a lovely tree tunnel though. Shame it isn't the way. Get back out and go explore somewhere else. I know what I can talk about while we're here. So 16th of July, coming up very rapidly. It is the subscriber ride. Oh, I keep putting my heat. Why do I keep doing that? It is the subscriber ride. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm hoping that a few of you can make it. We are meeting at the BP garage in Roundswell Service Station for 9 AM. The address is in the description down below, and once we're going to aim to leave at 9:30. Like I say, I hope many of you can make it. If there's not a lot of people, it'd be just a nice little intimate ride out. It'd be great to see or put faces to subscriber names. I know a few of you already. I know a few people have said they're gonna come, and the weather is supposed to be like this next Saturday, and if it is, it'll be an amazing day out. Make sure you fully hydrate yourself, because it'll be warm. Like I say, we're gonna set off from BP service station in Roundswell. Meeting time is 9 AM, and we're going to aim to leave at 9:30. We're going to be using the drop-off system for junctions to help manage and keep the ride together. Malcolm, who is going to lead the route, he sent me the route over a while ago. I recorded it, I did a video on that as well, but we have changed it a tiny little bit just to get us away from North Devon Link Road, because North Devon Link Road is currently having major roadworks done for 3 years, because we're having a dual carriageway, our very first dual carriageway into Barnstaple. So we are going to go on another twisty road, which adds about 5 miles to the route, and I know that road that we're going to go on, and it is brilliant. So like I say, we're not going to kick the ass at. Where does this road go? Oh, we have a weir. We have a water crossing. Well, I wasn't expecting that. We managed to negotiate our first water crossing. Yes, 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 and I made it. Yay! Sarcasm. There will be no water crossings on the ride out, he says. But yeah, the roads that we're going to be on, nice and twisty. We're going to go and visit Exmoor. Some amazing places, guys, so I really hope that you can make it on the Saturday, the 16th of July, 9 AM meeting at BP Roundswell. If you can't, I'm sure I'll try. If you can't, then hopefully maybe one day in the future you can. I have really no idea where I am. Sat-nav tells me I'm on the, well, it doesn't tell me where I am. I'm on Chibbet Hill. Chibbet. What the flip's a Chibbet? Exford. I know where I am. Ah, I know this main road in front of me. Yeah, I know the main road in front of me. Lanarka that way, Withypool, Linton that way. Which way should we go, guys? Exford. I don't want to go to mine. I don't want to. 3, 20 to 4. Tell you what, we're going to go left. So I'm going to make my way home actually, get some food because I haven't eaten since breakfast. That was a long time ago. So if you can make it on the 16th, I've said that a million times, it'd be great to see. If you can't, I'm sure there'll be another time. So if you got anything from this brief video, anything at all, apart from the fact that we're going to be at 9 o'clock on the 16th of July at BP Services Roundswell, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't get anything from this video, give me a thumbs down. Drop me a comment below. Let me know if you come into the subscriber ride, just so I can get a mental idea of numbers. And I am gonna go now, so I'll see you soon. Take care now. Bye bye.